Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to like a pin on Pinterest quickly and easily. So if you're new to Pinterest, you can follow along with me. So first of all, open up your Pinterest account. You can see I'm on my account here. And from there, we're going to click on the top left and go to the home feed. So this is where you can find other people's pins that you might be following or pins that Pinterest is going to suggest to you. So I can have a scroll down to see if there's any pins I want to like. If I don't see anything there, I can use the search box to find pins what I'm looking for. So it might be summer recipes. So let's have a look. So there are lots of options will come up. Once I find a pin I like and I want to like it, I'm going to click on it, and then you can see the heart logo in the corner here where you can react. So I'm going to like that pin, and there you go. That's how to like a pin on Pinterest. I hope that was helpful. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel.